Hi! Let's discover how the Watchtower can streamline your compliance tasks and help you ensure that your account is always up to date. The Watchtower serves as the central hub of the We Can Comply platform. This page gives you a comprehensive overview of all pending elements and tasks that require your attention. First, let's look at the Declined section. Here, you can easily access to the declined versions and forms. Access to internal declined versions to show the list of all your versions that have been declined by your team. Access to external declined forms to show the list of forms received from your relations that you have declined. Next, the pending section displays the pending elements that you need to process in order to finalize the sharing of your forms. Access to internal validation to show all the forms that require internal validation before being shared with your relations. Select the forms you wish to validate, then click on Validate. Access to pending share to show all the forms that are ready to be shared with your relations. Select the forms you wish to share, then click on Share. Moving on to tasks to be completed. This section helps you verify that you have no pending tasks or acknowledgements. Access to Do to show the list of tasks assigned to you or your team. Access to Acknowledge to show the list of elements you need to acknowledge, such as the archiving of a relation form. Lastly, the Compliance Breach section lists items requiring updates. Stay proactive by addressing compliance issues promptly, ensuring your data remains accurate and up to date. Just click on a compliance breach to access the item in your vault that needs an update. Remember that updating data will automatically update all the versions and forms where the data is present. The Watchtower not only saves you time but also ensures you never miss critical updates and maintain excellent data health. If you have any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to reach out to us via the We Can Support chat. The We Can team will get back to you as soon as possible.